And so the High Court have actually dismissed Chief Justice Torkonoo's judicial review application. So this matter you bring here, we no go fit handle them. Your case, you know the whole water. So they have dismissed the case. What is the case? So on July 31st, 2025, the Human Rights Division of the High Court dismissed the judiciary review application filed by a suspended Chief Justice Gertrude Torkonoo, which is the presiding Chief Justice over the whole judicial system in Ghana, appointed by the former president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa, aka Adodi, or Jack Toronto, they may say. So, as President John Dramani Mahama has come to office, before a CJ or Chief Justice will be impeached or taken out of office, according to her and according to some human rights, there should be a proven ground of misconduct to be held against that person to be found guilty, which will be a basis on which they'll say that the person should leave office because you have not done this thing right and you've not done that thing right. Just like we were expecting that Kisi Ejaben, who was appointed by the former administration, will be sacked from office. But right now, the guy, they speed up. NPP appointed him is after the NPP. That shows loyalty to nation from Mother Ghana. So her case has been dismissed on the basis that the court held that the application was both an abuse of court processes and lacked jurisdictions to hear the matter. So it's not something that they can sit and listen to, because the suspension and the impeachment was an order from the number one of the land, His Excellency, the President John Dramani Mahama. As we speak right now, there is another acting CJ already in place. So two no go fit rule. But the thing is that the woman knows that as a new president can, because that office, even though they say it's independent, I can boldly say that it is political, because it is a president that appoints the CJ. So automatically, if I were her, you should know that Mahama cannot work with you, because there are some people who have misbehaved in the previous administration that is expected to be carried on, to be punished. But the CJ overlooked because those people were politically connected to the New Patriotic Party during their time of ruling. So based on this misconduct, they have come to a final conclusion that this CJ or Torkonoo Gertrude, we cannot work with you. Go home. She said, no, me too, I get right. It is a breach of right, my human right. So I no go. I no go. So she's trying to use her office. She's trying to use her position to abuse and to manipulate the system. But they say, hey, no, this is EBJ way they top. But I don't know what you are thinking, but this is my personal opinions. I'm speaking as I'm reacting to whatever is going on. So you can keep your comments, your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? And don't forget, hit the subscription button.